Corps has a bunch of dams in the Central Valley, 17 dams that we're currently operating. The Corps' role in the Central Valley is mainly flood control. That's why one of the missions of the Corps is historically the Corps supported the Army and then became involved in navigation, Mississippi River navigation, and then with the Flood Control Act of 1936 began building levees, dams, and other things, and constructed so that dams that Rebecca referred to developed excess and terminus. The designs were started in the 40s and completed in the early 50s and early 60s at terminus excess. So what the Corps has been doing for 8 or 10 years is examining the state of their dams across the nation, and in the early 2000s they undertook a portfolio risk assessment process using a new risk-informed decision-making that they want to examine some 690 dams in their portfolio across the country, of which there's 17, as I mentioned, in the Sacramento district. The portfolio risk assessment was a very quick assessment at each project. They would send out a trained team that included a hydraulic engineer, structural engineer, geotech engineer, economists, and planners, and other support personnel. And in one day, they would review all the design documentation and inspection reports and come up with an assessment of the condition of the dam. And the point of it was to go through the entire inventory to establish which dams had problems and which dams they should work on first. And so they had developed a Dam Safety Action Classification System, DSAC, with classification ratings of 1 through 5. 1 would be urgent, compelling need for whatever reason, and the risk, and then 5 would be the green light for the dam. And Kern Canal again.